There's this image that stands out in my head, and every time I look at it, it's hard to grasp. I know what I'm looking at, but it's hard to grasp what is happening. And it's such a powerful image, and it's one of the things that helped me create a powerfully simple investment approach. And I go back to it when I lose my way, and it's so easy to lose your way these days. We get slammed with scary information. And I want you to ask yourself, where is it coming from? Like when you get scared, it doesn't start inside. You read something, you listened to something, you saw something. Where did it come from? Porter Stansberry, Harry Dent, Zero Hedge? Look, start noticing. Gosh, every time I read fill in the blanks information, whether it's free or paid for, I get sick to this stuff. I get scared. I don't know. Do I buy the cryptocurrency newsletter now? It's my 12th newsletter. I mean, have you ever noticed that newsletters are like tattoos? Literally, you just can't get one. Once you get one, you got to get two, and then you got to get three, and before you know it, you got the eagle on your back, and it's insanity. And this is not to blame you. The reason we do this is to extinguish that fear. And so this price chart that I go back to is a price chart about flipping coins. And it's such a powerful image. It's a price chart of coin flips. And you'd think like it, heads and then tails, or heads, tails. It's not like that. This thing actually trends. Coin flips, they trend. And if something as random as a coin flip can trend, then I gotta believe, and this is just not my own belief, history says that investments can trend much longer than humans could ever imagine, right? So wherever the S&P is today, or the Brazilian stock market, or the Dow Jones, or the Japanese stock market, these things can trend much farther than we ever could imagine, right? The price to earnings ratio today is the same place it was in 1997. 1997, we had 98, we had 99, and then we had the first part of 2000. Things were just crazy. They were crushing it in 98 and 99. Just look at biotech, what biotech did. Yeah, so look at these sectors. And I don't mean biotech specifically, but look at the actual trends. Financials are making new highs. Technology is making new highs. Biotech is making new highs. Japan is making new highs. Emerging markets is making new highs. International developed is making new highs. U.S. domestic is making new highs. Industrials is making new highs. Dow Jones is making new highs. These are not signs that the market's about to implode. Now, should we have a correction? Will we have a correction? Of course. Here's the thing I really want you to take away from this. Follow the source of your fear. It does not start within. It starts with reading something from Harry Dent or Porter Stansberry or Zero Hedge or someone else, Peter Schiff, who scares the hell out of you and goes, oh my gosh, I don't want to lose half again. It does not start within you. And I want you to look for that consistency. It's consistently coming from the same place. And this really hit home to me last week when I was on the phone with a prospective client. I said, RC, you talk in these videos about powerfully simple. You're consistent. I bought your research. It's consistent. I have the clarity. I know exactly what to do. We get on the phone. It's consistent. I like consistency. So look for that consistent source of that fear, and you'll start to find the way to take back control of your money. I'm going to dig into this weekend, and I dig into this idea this weekend because I want to show you these price charts. But I want to show you one of Bitcoin. I want to show you of a few markets around the world that are not crashing but are really doing quite well. And I want to make sure you have access to those, and I want to share those with you because it makes a difference to see that consistency. I see my screen share is on right now out of the corner of my eye. So guys, this is just another step in helping you protect your portfolio and your future. And if this information is of value to you, please go to the website and subscribe and like, share, and forward it because it makes a difference. So guys, I'm gonna dig in this weekend. I'm gonna get you those price charts so you can see exactly what I'm looking at and how powerful simplicity can be for your money and just how you think and feel. You guys are great. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.